Dear investor, welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how to switch in your policy. So once you log in into your account, then you need to click on My Policies, select your policy. Here you can see the current allocation of your policy. Now first of all, to review this fund, you need to open a new web page, visit the same website icici-prolife.com again, then scroll down and here you can see the option Fund Performance. Then select your policy. Now you can see the available equity, balance and date fund options in your policy. So for example, if I want to review my existing Focus 50 fund portfolio, then I need to click on the fund and I can easily review the entire details. Also, by clicking on portfolio details, I can see the company's name in which this fund is dealing. So once I review these funds and decide in which fund I want to switch, then you need to scroll down and here you can see the option Switch. Just confirm the policy number one more time and then scroll down. Here you can see the option I want to initiate a fund switch. Then click on From Fund, select your fund, then select To Fund, add percentage, click on Add. You can also switch in multiple funds at the same time. So here we are switching into two different funds, India Growth Fund 50%, then Value Enhancer 50%. Click on Add, scroll down, just check and confirm the detail one more time, source fund, target fund and percentage. Once you verify this detail, you just need to click on this box and submit the request. Once you do that, then you will get the transaction ID and a confirmation. Once you complete this process, then if you are doing this before 3 PM India time, then on next day you can see the updated allocation in your policy. So that's it from my end. Thank you very much for watching this video. Namaste.